Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll tell you what does WSG on Snapchat means. If you're new here, then please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to like this video. So Snapchat continues to be one of the most popular way for people to communicate with others online through the use of disappearing messages, images, and stories. If you have used Snapchat for a long time, you've probably seen a number of different slangs and abbreviations used across the app. WSG is one of these terms, and while it may be used in stories, you will often see it in direct messages. So what does WSG mean on Snapchat? On Snapchat, WSG usually stands for What's Good. WSG in this context is primarily used to ask how somebody is doing and will often be used to prompt a conversation. Due to the conversational nature of the abbreviation, you are more likely to see this term used in direct messages on Snapchat as opposed to stories or another public post. And that is what WSG means on Snapchat. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.